Hello, my Ghanaian food family. We have a quick video for you on how to boil green plantain. It's a pretty straightforward process. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want to support us. Okay, let's start. For the ingredients, we need our plantain, obviously, some rock salt, and some water. Start by cutting off the ends, then scoring a line down the length of the plantain. Using your thumb, pry open along the cut you just made. Separate the peel from the plantain. Repeat for the rest. Lightly scrape along each plantain with a knife to remove the sticky residue. Now cut each plantain in half and then split each half in two lengthwise. Wash the plantain in cold water to remove the residue. Put in a pot of water. Make sure the water is enough to cover the plantain. Add about a teaspoon of rock salt. Cover and place on fire. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes. When a fork goes through, it's cooked. Turn off the fire, then add cold water, about the same amount you started cooking with. This is to stop the cooking process and make the plantain firm. That's it. This goes very well with kontomriabom or sebe flour, that is garden egg stew. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment and share to support us. Thank you.